Are you forgetting to record your second often or afraid that you will soon? People who follow these 6 tips are more likely to not miss a day. Tip number 1, make sure to turn your reminders on in the app. Preferences can be found in the settings, and we encourage you to keep these on for at least the first month or so. It takes time to build a habit, and you might need them more than you think. Number 2, move the app near other apps that you use often. I personally use social media apps every single day, so I move my Wanna See app near those. Number 3, start with a friend. Start a Wanna See with someone, and then make sure that you remind each other every day through text, or send each other the second that you recorded for that day. Number 4 is add the Wanna See widget to the home screen. This is a game changer and a favorite for our users. If you haven't recorded your second for the day, the calendar square in the widget will remain blank until you fill it in. And number 5, don't give up if you miss a day. You can fill it in with a moment from another day, use live photos, or even just leave it blank. You'll still have a meaningful video to watch back. Give yourself permission to make mistakes because they happen. It can take time for recording a moment to become second nature. And number 6, watch back your Wanna See on a consistent basis. Watch back a week and then a month. Keep it a surprise if you'd like, but I believe that watching back more often, at least in the beginning, will encourage you and remind you why you started. And a bonus tip, if physical reminders are your thing, we have Wanna See merch to help remind you. We've got stickers, cute sweatshirts, coffee mugs, anything to help you out to make sure that you never miss a day again.